the moon, great storm of the night. Story of Claymore, God still alive. Deep in the prison of the king and the court, Hargan the hero pleads for his sword. And worship of the power of the night, meeting together on the roads of light. The hermit delivered them the force of the sword to rescue the hero out of the cold. Claymore, the night of Claymore, save his life. Claymore, the heart of Claymore, fight on high. They ride through the forest between darkness and dawn, follow the glimmer the hermit has shown, damning the cold god from top of the hill, and Argon escaped by the force of mighty will. Claymore, the light of Claymore, save this life. Claymore, the heart of Claymore, we won the fight. Storm of the night, legend of the Claymore, God still alive. Listen to troubles of the ever fight, and to the survival